Hello, darlings. January 12th, 2016. Look at this on IntelliCast. See that gray line right there? Right where these earthquakes are in the United States? See that? Let's make it go here and see what happens. It shows you the time. Boing, there it shows up. Ta-da! Now, let's get rid of the earthquakes for just a minute. And you can see this weather system in here. Let's look at what's happening there. This yellow is possible damaging winds. The green is strong cell of some kind of storm. That's very intriguing to me, and I wanted to show it to you. I thought I'd look at the weather before I went to sleep. Let's look at it one more time. Start out an hour ago. And all of a sudden it's there. And then it's not there. And then it'll be there again in a minute. There. Huh. Cool. Right. That's some kind of energy that's being transferred into the atmosphere or the ground. Could be going beyond this because there is this wild storm system happening over here also. Look at that. So it could be going beyond what it looks like into here, or it could be going this way. And that side is only seen from here, so it could be happening over here. Let's look at the earthquakes on here. And then you can see these earthquakes. And the way the earthquake symbol works is red is the last 6 hours, and then it becomes orange, and then yellow, and then gray for every 6 hours. And it doesn't look like there's been any earthquakes over here, excuse me, in the last 6 hours, which is also intriguing because this right in here is Japan, and there are a lot of earthquakes that happen there. This last one was 5.6 in the line of that beam. Today I've noticed there's a lot of earthquakes up here in Alaska. Small, but earthquakes. And then, of course, we have this over here. Polly. Let's see what it's come down to. Hurricane, 120 miles an hour gust. Okay, I'm going to see what else I can find. Now on the National Weather Service, right in this area, we can find that there is a high wind warning. That's this mustard yellow color. Wind advisory, winter weather advisory. And we know that they've been wanting snow and water in that area. Well, I couldn't find any more of shadows of that beam of energy, but I can show you this, which looks incredibly beautiful, actually, hitting the west coast of America. Look at this pattern right here. Let's put it on that. That's amazing. This is water vapor from the College of DuPage website. Totally amazing. And here it is just stopped. Look at that right in there. And look at how this wall goes up here. That weird little thing right there too. Here, if you go under hemispheric products, they'll show you all this if you want to. And I'm looking at water vapor. You can see this long line, and then this interesting little shape here. That's the hurricane there. And look at this over here, close to Europe over here, Africa over here. This little hidden thing. Let's make it move. Go up under product menu. I'll just animate it on 48. 96 makes my computer slow down, so I only do it on here. Look at how that is spinning, and then these coming up here, and of course this bursting down right here. Up here you can zoom it down, and I can slow it down also. Let's take a look over here. Watch that come in. There's this little fist and elbow. It looks a lot like a ultrasound of a baby. This is coming down pretty rapidly here. And interacting with that. And then, of course, over in here in the United States, it's really, really cold. Really, really cold. A lot of kids have been staying home from school because it's too cold. And then we have this going on over here. This being Europe up here. Heading right straight toward that. Let's unzoom it so you can see it one more time. Oh, what was that? Let me get in the zoom again. Into here. That's intriguing how that's building up right there. Right there. Okay, unzoom. It's quite beautiful, even if it is artificial. It's still quite beautiful. Okay, now I did find this on the El Dorado weather. Look at this area where it becomes like distorted. It gets all jaggedy and weird. See that? It's not like flowing very smoothly. And this looks like it gets a push right in here. See, that looks weird. Now, where is the timestamp on this? Let's unzoom it. There it is. Right there. And some of these little faint clouds are just like sitting there. Here's the hurricane. This is moving up along the south and then the east coast toward Europe. And this gets that weird jagged thing right about at the same time that we can see that line show up. Let's stop it a minute. See that? That looks like something is happening there. And it doesn't look to be a fun party. Looks very uncomfortable. And here, see these strange looking lines right here? In all probability, that is not natural. It's very distorted. Let's back out. And let's see the timestamp. It does say the 13th of January, but it's not midnight here yet, so it's still the 11th of January. All right, I am grateful for you, and I'm here at your service. Bye-bye.